Now, these two actually met last year, but this video was just uncovered.
It's a cat play date. It's a celebrity cat play date.
It is a celebrity cat play date. Grumpy Cat is known for being grumpy. Little Bub was a feral kitten when it was discovered. It was a runt. It's a perma kitten, meaning Little Bub will never get bigger than it is. And plus, its lower jaw is smaller than the upper jaw, so its tongue always sticks out.
I never noticed how cute Grumpy Cat actually is. A pretty cute cat.
It is a cute cat because we see Grumpy Cat's face a lot. We don't always see Grumpy Cat's body, and there's something really cute about Grumpy Cat's little teeny legs.
Yeah, I love them together because they're like kind of feeling each other out and not getting too comfortable.
It is kind of sad because I wanted them to be besties. I wanted them to be best friends and share their experience with internet fame.
Yeah, thank you, Steve.
Yeah.
Took the words out of my mouth.
Can't.
What else is internet gold? When a soldier comes home and is greeted by family or the four-legged friend. The four-legged friend, not always a dog, my friends. This cat's name is Finn. Finn is very excited because
Can you hear him?
the soldier boyfriend is coming home. He's been gone a while.
Can you hear him?
The cat anticipating the arrival. Now, the cat's not walking away. The cat is like, oh, something's about to go down.
Buddy, it's me.
There you go.
So cute. Even Boo, the Siamese, makes an appearance like, when you're done with Finn, give me some love.
Oh, that was cute.